I'm Sofia Naga, and today I'm burning the flag of India because this is not mine. India came into our land 14th of August 1947. They just came with guns and soldiers and they never left. Ever since that day, our elders seen war, tortured, and death. My people are treated like an animals. The army comes to our homes, they beat our men, they rape our women, they kill our brothers. They say we are part of their great democracy. What democracy? When we are not allowed to speak. India says they cares about human rights. But what about the Nagas? What about the people in Manipur? They're killing us here. And at the same time, they go and talk about Balochistan like it is their business. Why don't you fix your own house first? India is not one country. It is the project created by British, an artificial country made to control others. But we are not artificial. We are Naga. We are real, just like the Tamils, just like the Sikhs, just like the people of Kashmir. You force us into your union, but we never agreed. I'm not scared anymore. We are not weak. We are not silent. Today I burn this flag to tell the world, India never represents me. This is the flag of occupation. This is for every Naga woman who was silent. This is for every freedom fighter who gave their life. Nagaland is not India. Nagaland is Nagaland. Long live Nagaland. Down with India.